आज तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, घर से बाहर स्टेप आउट करना ठीक नहीं है। आज मेरी बॉडी में जान ही नहीं है, वर्कआउट के लिए तो मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता। सुबह वर्कआउट, नो वे, आई हैव टू गो टू ऑफिस, आई विल गेट लेट। So finally, you end up giving an excuse and doing nothing. Do you struggle to push yourself for any sort of exercise routine, be it brisk walking, running or a workout? Frankly, ये बहुत से लोगों के साथ होता है। तो सवाल ये है कि खुद को पुश कैसे करें? अपने एक्सपीरियंस से मैं ये डिस्कस करना चाहती हूँ कि कैसे आप ये इनर्शिया ब्रेक करके राइट मोमेंटम में आ सकते हैं। चलिए मैं अपनी रियल लाइफ से एक एग्जांपल डिस्कस करती हूँ। अभी कल की ही बात है, मैंने अपने लिए 5 किलोमीटर की रनिंग का टारगेट सेट किया था। जब टाइम आया तो मैंने सोचा, नेहा क्यों ज्यादा जोश में आकर तूने ये टारगेट सेट कर लिया, पर अब अपने आप से कमिटमेंट तो कर दी, तो करना तो पड़ेगा ही। सो आई हैड पुट सम पंपिंग म्यूजिक एंड मूव्ड ऑन। आई कवर्ड 100 meters, 200 meters, and by the time I reached half a kilometer, I could feel the energy building within me, making me stronger to fulfill the target. Oh yes, I did it. So I have never been a music person, and it was then when I realized the power of music. I gave all the credit to music for bringing that change, and now I consider it as a valuable tool that helps me do my fitness routine more easily and effectively. So are you also curious like me to know what music did? It's actually quite simple. So जब आप हाई पंपिंग फेवरेट म्यूजिक लगाते हो, धीरे धीरे बीट्स के साथ आपकी बॉडी भी रिदम में आने लगती है। तो अगर आपको फटीग या टायर्डनेस फील हो रहा है, आपका ध्यान फटीग से हटकर म्यूजिक पर फोकस करने लगता है। ऐसा क्यों? इट्स बिकॉज ब्रेन प्रोसेस द सिग्नल्स स्मार्टली टू डाइवर्ट द फोकस ऑन योर फेवरेट म्यूजिक एंड मेक्स यू फील बेटर। मैं पंजाबी म्यूजिक की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ, और जब मुझे पंप चाहिए होता है, देन आई प्ले डिफरेंट प्लेलिस्ट्स ऑफ सिंगर्स लाइक करण औजला, दिलजीत दोसांझ, परमीश वर्मा to give me that extra pump. I choose different playlists depending on the intensity of my workouts. और बस फिर क्या, मेरा वर्कआउट कब कंप्लीट हो जाता है मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता। It's actually the time of the day when I feel my best and undefeated. On the serious note, what I want to convey is that music provides motivation, improves performance, and boosts your mood. A study published in the Journal of Sport and Exercise Psychology found that participants who listened to motivational music felt more energized and were more willing to engage in physical activity with less fatigue when compared to those who exercised in silence. Let me tell you a fun fact about music. Experts suggest listen to what your kids or grandkids listen to. Often we continue to listen to the same songs and genre of music that we did during our teens and 20s, and we generally avoid hearing anything that's not from that era. Have you ever wondered why it is so? It's because new music challenges the brain in a way that old music doesn't. It might not feel pleasurable at first, but that unfamiliarity forces the brain to struggle to understand the new sound. Now let's know the little science behind it. Listening to or even making music increases blood flow to brain regions that generate and control emotions. Researchers found out that music releases a chemical called dopamine during moments of enjoyment while listening. It's the same chemical reaction that makes you feel good, similar to the satisfaction of eating your favorite food or even falling in love. It's generally said if you want to keep your brain engaged throughout the aging process, listening to or playing music is a great tool. It provides a total brain workout. Before we conclude, there are a couple of interesting areas where music can be helpful apart from workouts. The first one is it helps in emotional processing. We know that when you are happy, listening to music amplifies that joy, and when you are sad, it can make you feel better. However, when you are depressed, listening to happy music might sound irritating, because when you listen to sad music, you might feel that the singer understands you better and provides a sense of comfort. Again, that's the power of music. The second and last is that it helps in the development of cognitive skills in children. This information was also quite new for me. So a study, it was done in 2016 in psychological science, which says that children who play music performed better in fine motor skills, vocabulary, and non-verbal reasoning, which includes identifying shapes and similarities between patterns. Strange, right? So what is your takeaway? My message is quite straightforward. So whether you need to push yourself for an exercise routine, lift weights, walk, run or work out, the right playlist will elevate your experience and make it easier to reach your goals. Music ने आपकी लाइफ को कैसे अफेक्ट किया, कमेंट्स में जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा.